What are you doing? You chasing Kira?
Yeah.
Let me see. How do you do it? Poor dog's hiding. Oh, wow. The funny thing is the dog keeps teasing me. What's Kira doing? Is Kira hiding from you? Get Kira. Go get her. Go get her. There she is. Oh, boy. What's wrong with Kira? I think you scared her. It's Kira. Can you give Kira a hug? Say, sorry I'm messing with you. Oh, honey, that's Kira's butt. That's Kira's butt.